how to log into Vimeo account. So here is a step-by-step guide for logging into your Vimeo account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down Vimeo account and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will get to see login option available at the top. Simply tap on it and navigate to the login website directly. Instead of going to the home page and doing all the process, tapping on the login will be much more easier. Now here, enter the email address and password associated with your Vimeo account and click login with email. Or if you have logged in using third-party account like Google, Facebook or Apple, simply tap on it and you'll be redirected to that service to authenticate then return to Vimeo. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.